Yeah, this is another bedroom. You can see how we give line, how the pipe will go before we start chiseling it. We use filing machine on it. You can see the smoke. This is the shower. This is the place the shower base will be. The hot line and the cold line will go like this. Yeah, this line for water heater. The hot line and the cold line. Remember, hot line always be at the left side, while the cold line be at the right side. This is where the supply will come out from outside. You see it? This is 2 inches for this is 2 inches for wash hand basin. The supply to the WC. That is the outlet for WC. And this one is for the floor drainage. It will go out like this. That is it. We're still on the first stage. This is another bedroom in the same building.